right, so I cannot hold it any longer. I'm actually here in Michigan. I'm not even in Florida, but I had to make this video because if you've been following me for a while, you probably know that I have an online course where I teach people how to become aircraft brokers. So I've been talking to a lot of people, and something that I've noticed is that some don't understand the difference between a private jet charter broker and a private jet broker. So I needed to make this video to explain the difference. Okay, so if you're in the same boat, after we're done, you're gonna understand the difference. So let me explain. A private jet charter broker, what they do is, let's say that you're trying to go from Miami to LA in a private jet. So you can start contacting different operators and try to find a flight, shop around, or you can contact a private jet charter broker and you can explain to them what you're trying to do. I'm trying to go from point A to point B with this many people. I need catering, I need this, I need that, and this is my budget. So a private jet charter broker, they're gonna locate, or they're gonna try to look for a private flight that is going to meet your needs. So they're gonna start contacting different operators, and there's different software where they can look up different flights. They're gonna send you a bill, you pay them, and that's how they make their money. A private jet broker is the middleman between the buyer of an airplane and the seller of an airplane, or vice versa. So pretty much they're going to facilitate the sale of an airplane. And in turn, they're going to make a commission. So they're going to charge you a commission. So think about it like a real estate agent, but for airplanes. That's how they make their money. So let's say you have someone that owns an airplane and they want to sell it. So they can find a buyer themselves, or they can contact a private jet broker, so they can pretty much take care of everything, the paperwork and finding a buyer for them. Or let's say that there's a buyer for a specific type of airplane, so they have a mission in mind, and they can explain this to the broker, and they're going to try to find the best airplane for their needs. So there's a lot of value in having a private jet broker because they have connections and they know the market and they know the different airplanes and their capabilities. Now, that being said, I hope now you understand the difference. And if you're interested in becoming an aircraft broker or a private jet broker, I'm going to put a link down in the description so you can schedule a call with me and we can chat a little bit more. And don't worry, it won't be a pitching fest, okay? All I want to do is get to know you and see if what I do could help you out. Other than that, I'll see you in the next video.